First of all, I'm going to do officer installation, but before I install this year's officers, will the officers from the previous year, last year's, please rise? If you notice there on the board, 9 out of 10 from the Distinguished Club grant. This is a team that led this club to such a distinguished and help make Division B select distinguished. Please help me give a hand to this team. It is my duty as division director to relieve you, I'm not going to discharge you, but relieve you of your duties of last year. Now I need a gavel. Can I borrow this gavel?
Oh, right here.
Oh, sir, gavel. Will the officers of the new year please join me up here front? Sergeant Arms, Sergeant Arms.
Are you okay, Ken?
Yeah. Yes.
CR, is membership here? Okay, membership. Okay, and
Treasurer,
treasurer,
secretary.
so secretary is
Here?
Yeah. Okay. I am here on behalf of District 33 to install this year's team that's going to lead this club again to President's Distinguish. This is a great club, Club 947, has a rich history. I've counted 42 years. I'm here to prepare them for the challenge that lies ahead. Their collective challenge is to but continue this club and keep it strong and dedicate in helping people from all walks of life to listen with sensitivity, think creatively, and speak in an effective manner. As I briefly describe the duties of each officer, this is not officer training, so you'd be happy. You're not going to get out doing
You can't check that one
No,
out.
you can't call this GTO. I'm going to ask him or her to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership.
It's a big gavel. Don't hit your neighbor over the head with it.
Michael. The duties of a sergeant at arms are to reserve the meeting place with proper authorities and make sure that all of the supplies and materials are properly distributed or displayed at the meeting. Greet guests and members and call the meeting to order at the scheduled time, not 9 seconds later. I'm going to throw a little humor here. I give you this gavel as a symbol of this charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Okay, pass the gavel. Ken. Ken. Well, this gentleman has not only served as a treasurer for a club, but at the district level. The duties of the treasurer are to collect dues from the members, send the dues and membership renewals reports to Toastmasters International, and pay club expenses. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
You pass the gavel. Get a gavel. This is Dinesh. The duties of the secretary are to keep accurate records of the members, submit officer lists to Toastmasters International after the election, and keep the club charter, constitution, bylaws, and minutes. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Oh.
Pass the gavel to Tim. Tim, the duties of the vice president, the duties of the vice president of public relations is to promote the club to the local media, spread the word about membership programs, and attend Toastmasters events. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes.
Okay. Nikki, the duties of the Vice President of Membership. Your duties are to conduct ongoing membership building programs and explain the educational program to prospective members and ask them to join and follow up on new members, absent members. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Teresa, the duties of the Vice President of Education are to plan meetings to help members achieve their educational goals, orient new members to the Toastmaster program as soon as they join, and monitor members' progress. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Yes, it's Scott. Scott, you got the long, you get the long one. Scott, having been elected to president of club number 947, you are the chief executive officer and will be expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of the executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It's also your challenge to see that their goals, it's also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, so you begin helping Teresa there, our new area director, the division, which is myself, the district, which is all over, and Toastmasters International as a whole, all over the world. Please accept this gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication sauce. This gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely with restraint. You are a member of your team and a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It is an emotional force rooted in feeling, thoughts, actions of all members with a common goal of achievement. Sharing the mutual support, work with everybody, work with your team to create a healthy, dynamic, it's already a dynamic club, so you get a club in which everyone will be proud. Will you, as president, accept this challenge, perform the duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Okay. Before I declare this installation complete, will the members please rise? Now, it's a two-way leaders. It's a two-way street. They are also sort of like the legs of the club, and you are the tabletop of the club. They support the club, but you sort of hold everything together. Well, the growth and development of the Toastmaster program in club number 947 depends largely on the actions of everyone, this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, will you pledge individually and collectively to stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes.
We will.
It is my pleasure to congratulate this team. And declare this installation complete. Mr. President.
Can everybody stand together?
Oh, yeah, where? We gotta